given what we were talking about earlier, right? There's always that risk of false positives and false negatives. You flag somebody that you shouldn't, or you don't flag by somebody that you should. And if we don't trust the tech companies to make these decisions on their own, and we want to push towards things like regulation, is there a concern, do you think, that people might have in terms of getting the public to understand the idea of false positives and false negatives, and getting them to understand that there may not necessarily be a kind of perfect balance that's going to solve all kinds of cases? Do we see this as being a potential challenge for regulating these kinds of things?
100%.
And if so, how do we get the public to better understand what they want to regulate?
I think we get, as a MPP, when I knock on doors in my community, you know what I hear the most? Property taxes. You know what the biggest driver of our property taxes are? Policing costs. So then who also pays? So that's the other part of this conversation. So who is responsible for doing that legwork? Because I can tell you that it's just shifted onto enforcement authorities like the police. It's not going to work, quite frankly, because they are overburdened already as it is. So that's the other angle I think I want to add to this.